Good evening and welcome to 200forexwebs.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 8th of November 2018. Okay guys, I'm going to start today's discussion from Euro USD. I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So with a bearish expectation on Euro USD, we have seen the downward trend, and I have predicted the downward trend for Euro USD. 114269 was the bearish entry and 113751 was the target price. And guys, you can see that already the pair is down as per the expectation. We have a drop right from the entry. So if you have traded this one, then you must have collected the profit. Okay, now let's talk about New Zealand USD, which is the second pair of my signals report. 067816 was the bearish entry and the target price is 067206. And guys, you can see I have already put the line here. That's a signals line. You can see the market is just leaning on a certain level from the morning. From yesterday, you can see that the market is not going anywhere. However, if New Zealand USD starts the bearish activity like this, then it can go out to 067206. So overall, the pair is in a range, and that's very difficult to predict at the moment. Okay. Now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. A bearish expectation from 131203 and 130522 is the target price. And guys, you can see that right from the entry we have seen a drop on Great Britain Pound USD, and finally it's down. However, if the bearish trend continues, then the market can go to the 130522. So guys, be careful, because I just want to update you about Great Britain Pound JPY. Okay, I will update later. Now let's talk about USDJPY, and bullish trend was supplied from 113651 and the 114013 is the target price. And guys, you can see the market is just near to the target price. We have seen a very strong upward trend on USDJPY and it has moved up. Okay, now let's talk about the EURJPY. So guys, most of the people are very confused about the euro and pound JPY, because the prices has moved to the maximum and we are not getting the drops. So guys, just make sure that you should know that buying at these levels is not a good option. Maybe we are expecting the drops in the further days, and maybe this could happen on Friday, because tomorrow we will see that some pairs have moved so much up, so they need some drops. Like I'm talking about EURJPY, bearish expectation from 129849. And guys, you can see we have break the entry in the morning, and again it's getting the double touch here. If it continues the bearish pattern, then it can go up to 129221. At last, I'm going to talk about an update about Great Britain Pound JPY. However, this is a losing trade. You know that we do not talk about the losing trades in our videos. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. I'm going to update the subscribers here, because if we look at the price, then you can see that Great Britain Pound JPY has moved massively up. If we go to the 4-hour chart now, if you look at here, then you can see from 30th of October, the market started to gain the momentum, and finally it's 8th of November and the market is way up. So guys, most of the people are thinking that Great Britain Pound JPY can reach to the maximum levels. It can go further up. However, it is getting the stability from many days. It's not going down, and it has even moved up. So guys, as per the technical analysis, we can clearly say that this is not the time to buy the pair. Even if you look at the daily chart, then you can see the market is just near to the resistance, and the 4-hour chart is giving us a very clear picture about the downward trend on Great Britain Pound JPY that can happen tomorrow or maybe in the next week. So be careful about this, because I'm looking at Great Britain Pound JPY that we are not able to trade that pair, because most of the time it's not taking the U-turn and it's going into the another direction. So you know that whenever the pair comes into our entry zones, then only we trade the pair. Otherwise we skip the pair for the particular day. So guys, make sure that I'm expecting a big drop on Great Britain Pound JPY, but right now you can see everything is showing us that we are going completely up. So be careful about this. I do not suggest anyone to buy the pair at this level, because you can have a big drop, and that can happen anytime on Friday, maybe on the next week. So be careful about this. Okay guys, moreover, those subscribers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. If you see that the market is making the bearish pattern from the top red or blue boundary, you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market is gaining the momentum from the lower red boundary, then you can buy the pair. If you see that the market is giving the red arrows, if the scalper is giving you the red arrows at the top red boundary, then you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that you are getting the white arrows from the lower red boundary, then you can buy the pair. And this is how we use the trading system. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis, and I was not able to upload the analysis in the previous days because I was busy and still I'm traveling. So hopefully from Monday onward we will continue with a better thing in Forex, and I will be able to give the analysis on a daily basis. So guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all these, please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.